My name is Daniel David McKenzie Aberley. Tongue twisters. Haley's horse hurried ahead while Haley was happy jump. When the hat Haley's jagged, young gentle John was envious of Jolly Yolly, the mayor, for his giant yacht. So John watched Yolly for a year over bridges, through canyons, and beyond. John became educated on Yolly's allergy of yolk. So he put yellow yolk in his juice and yogurt. The poem, The Rooftop of the Earth by Emily Catherine. When we were young, we tied our heartstrings to a helium balloon in hopes they'd carry us away to carve our names upon the moon. Every bruised knee was a battle wound. From monsters we had slain, we had the hearts like howling wolves and the rules of the rain. Every tree branch was a tower from which to gaze over our realm. And when our lives bred stormy seas, we were the captains at the helms, but even dreamers wide awake have shadows wrapped around their feet. And every hero meets a monster that they cannot seem to beat. So we traded in our storybooks, bid our balloons a fond goodbye, while our wolf howls turned to whimpers as they were swallowed by the sky. The real world is in a war, you said, on those whose hearts are wild. And to win, we must grow up and yet keep the wonder of a child. So when reality is grating, I'll let you know for what it's worth that I still dream of one day stargazing from the rooftop of the earth. The H sound. Examples of the H sound would be, for instance, like Henry, Henrietta, house, ahead, perhaps, how. The sound is always followed by a vowel sound. So as you say H, you breathe out, and then your tongue and lips shape the vowel sound. The air is coming out of from your vocal cords, and it goes up and comes out of your mouth. The next sound is the Y sound. Now the Y sound, the Y consonant sound consists of placing the tip of the tongue just behind your front teeth and then lifting the middle of the tongue towards the ceiling of the mouth. Y, year, yearly, young, yesterday. And your mouth, the lips, they're sort of roundish. The next sound is the W sound. Now, W examples would be word, whistle, a while, awake, sweet, highway, woo. Now, the sound is always followed by a vowel sound. And then as you say W, your tongue and lips, they shape the vowel sound. Woo, woo. Your lips are roundish. Woo, woo. Bibliography. Thank you very much for watching this presentation, and have a very good evening.